What's going on YouTube? It's your main man, Marco Ortiz, coming at you, drinking that coquito. Made me several batches of that good old coquito. Y'all see it. It's what we drink around the holidays. Around Thanksgiving, Christmas, you already know. Los Tres Reyes, the Three Kings, if y'all into all of that. Alright, let's get into this unboxing, late night. Alright, hopefully you dudes are up. If not, get the hell up. Because I'm going to wake ya up. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see what it is. Got that gold Jordan symbol on the box. Alright. See if y'all could guess. For a split second. Yep, I see it. White, black, hyper royal. Color code and model is 554724. Color code 124. Alright. That's what I paid. Alright, let's get into this tissue paper. White tissue paper, gold 23, you already know. Oh yes. Look at the colors popping on these joints. Yeah, I'm messing with these. These are mids, Jordan 1 mids. Red tongue, red tag on the tongue, black lettering of Air Blue Jumpman. The top threes, top 3 mid, Jordan 1 mids. You already see it. Red, blue, white, and black. Got that authentication there from StockX. White laces. Did these come with other laces? Let me see. Alright, let me show you the production date real fast. I'm not gonna try to make this vid too long. Y'all see it. Alright. Get the red laces. Black Jumpman on the bag. If you guys want to authenticate your shoes, there y'all go. The top 3 mids come with the red laces. That's the size of the bag right there. You got your StockX sticker. Alright. No quality control sticker. There you go. You got your stamping in there in the box. Alright. That's pretty much it. Let's get straight to the kicks. Alright. R&D connecting. These are dope, man. Alright. These are dope. Let me get my top 3s if I can find them. Give me a second. So you got the original top 3s. Alright. Original top 3s. Alright. These are the highs. Alright. These are the mids. There you have it. Alright. You already know what color mixture. You got the breads, the royals. Alright. The breads, the royals. And y'all see it, the black toe. You got the breads on there. Left sneaker, same. Yeah, I know what the top threes consist of, but I was calling them the top fours. You know, the Breads Royals. Yeah, I got the Chicago's. Yeah, I already know it. Black Toes. It's just a mixture of freaking shoes. Top colorways and the Jordan 1. You know, I think they should have threw a pair of black laces in these, but it's alright. Maybe it would have been a little bit too much black, but the red a pop. White breaks it up. Let me know what y'all think. It's your boy Mark Ortiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Jordan Brand did a lot of shoes with the what the theme. These kind of color coordinations, breakups, markups, whatever y'all want to call it. You know, on a lot of their shoes. You know, which is good if you like that what the color blocking and theme on shoes. I still gotta get them Jordan 4 top threes. Been kind of procrastinating. I should have pulled the trigger on those, but I will be copping those. Hopefully before the year is out. If not, that's gonna be on my priority and to-do list come 2020. And that's it. So, and of course the Bread 11s. You know, I'm not a crazy Jordan 11 dude, but you know, I do like the shoe, and I think it's just a little overhyped and overrated at times. I think Jordan Brand did much better shoes than the 11, but I guess since it has that patent leather, people go crazy for that patent leather for whatever reason. But you got so many other different variations, colors, you know, and that's it, man. You know, it's your boy Mark Ortiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace. One love. See you on the next one. Happy holidays. Salute.